In this video, we're diving into 27 of the coolest e-bikes you can buy for about $500 on Amazon. From compact folders to city cruisers and off-road beasts, these budget-friendly e-rides bring in some serious value. Let's jump in. Starting with the Highland Secret, a $529 city commuter with a 350-watt rear hub motor and 36-volt battery. Its clean design, bright LED, and front suspension make it a comfortable and straightforward ride for daily errands or light commutes. While not built for super high speeds or off-roading, its lightweight frame, simple controls, and reliable performance make it a solid beginner-friendly option for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of e-bikes for about $500. Or, also at $529, you could get your hands on a fat tire electric bike. Yes, the Geemax 26 is a fat tire e-bike for only $529. Take note. This may be one of the cheapest genuine fat tire e-bikes you could ever buy. Its front suspension and mechanical disc brakes help absorb rougher trails while the fat tires give extra traction. It's a bit heavy but solid, especially for the price. Now the Ancheer Hummer, coming in at $489, makes a bold first impression with its aggressive design and rugged styling. And beneath the tough-looking exterior is a 500-watt motor and front suspension, making it a solid pick for riders who want to mix off-road use with their casual riding. The 27.5-inch knobby tires provide lots of grip on loose ground, and the steel frame gives it some heft and durability. And on the lighter side, the Actbest Speedy Lite folding e-bike combines a compact frame with a solid amount of power from a 750-watt peak motor. It features 20x3-inch tires, front suspension, and a 48-volt battery that delivers claimed speeds up to 28 miles per hour. The Speedy Lite is great for new e-bike riders who want a punchy, portable e-bike without the usual bulk or price tag. And yes, it has great reviews on Amazon. And dropping down to $525, the mountain bike style isinwheel M50 offers a 500-watt motor and front suspension, giving it a more capable and grown-up feel than typical budget bikes. The 26-inch wheels add to the comfort and stability, while the simple controls and display keep it user-friendly. It's a good crossover option for both trail and pavement use. Oh, and did I mention it has front and rear 4-link suspension? Not bad for $525. And if any of these budget e-bikes tickle your fancy, help the channel out by learning more via one of the corresponding links in the description. And also for about $520, the Actbest Apex features 27.5 by 2-inch tires, an included rear rack, and 1200-watt peak output rear hub motor, blending solid performance with practical commuter-friendly features. The removable 48-volt 10.4 amp-hour battery offers a claimed range up to 55 miles. And with its 21-speed Shimano drivetrain and front suspension, the Apex is ready for mixed terrain from paved roads to gravel paths. It features dual disc brakes, and the LCD is bright and legible. This next entry-level mountain bike style e-bike, also coming in at around $520, features a 780-watt peak output motor and 26-inch wheels, making it a simple and capable off-road starter. The Vivi MO26 includes front suspension and a removable battery, and it's best suited for riders who want to explore light trails without spending a fortune. This next no-frills e-bike focuses on value with a 500-watt motor, 20-inch tires, and it folds, offering solid performance for casual cruising or local errands. There are no flashy design elements or high-end features, but what you get is a solid, straightforward e-bike that can handle local commutes, errands, or leisure rides with ease. Not bad considering it has 5 stars. Now the Nakto Folding Ox packs fat tires and a 500-watt motor into its compact folding frame. Its low step-through design makes it super accessible and easy to mount, while the built-in rack, front suspension, and steel frame give it a rugged, utility-focused edge, ideal for urban handling and light trail use. Now here's a minimalist city e-bike with 26-inch tires and a 250-watt motor. It's the Qlife Cityone 2.0, and it focuses on simplicity. Its clean frame, integrated lights, and easy controls make it great for riding around the neighborhood or light commuting. It has over 90 4-star reviews on Amazon, and the price is currently $519. Styled like the popular EB7 model, which I've personally reviewed on this channel, the $519 Jasion EBS brings a punchy ride with its 500-watt motor and 20x3-inch tires. It's got dual suspension, yes, dual suspension for $500, and a sporty frame, making it a strong contender for portable commuting with extra flair. The Hikeep Coco at $519 is a city-centric e-bike with a clean, low-step frame that makes hopping on and off a breeze. It rides on 16-inch tires and is powered by a 750-watt rear hub motor, giving it just enough kick for daily cruising. It shines as a simple and stylish commuter that definitely won't break the bank. This next stylish little cruiser-style e-bike, the $512 Luxecycles, blends a vintage look with modern e-assist. It sports a 350-watt motor and wide handlebars for relaxed comfort. While it won't win races, it's perfect for casual rides along the beach or bike paths with its laid-back geometry and smooth ride feel. Now the Urlife E26 is a full-size commuter bike that hits the sweet spot between comfort, capability, and cost. Powered by a 750-watt peak motor and equipped with 26-inch wheels, it's ready to handle urban commutes and casual weekend rides. The battery is neatly housed within the frame, giving the bike a clean profile that hides its electric nature. It currently has a full 5 stars and a $489 price tag. The $509 U7, complete with 60 plus 4+ star reviews, is a fat tire e-bike that combines utility with solid power, boasting a 500-watt motor and 20-inch tires. It folds down fairly compact and includes front suspension, a rack, and LED lights, making it a well-rounded option for commuters or urban explorers on a budget. And a more compact and lightweight cousin of the U7, the U5 is also just $509 and focused on portability and daily practicality. It offers a clean folding frame, a rear 500-watt hub motor, and even a rear cargo rack, best for riders who need a simple, no-fuss ride that can go anywhere and fit anywhere, and has over 4.6 stars. And now, at $499, the ZDZA ZA02, that's a lot of Z's, stands out with its integrated battery, 26-inch tires, and dual disc brakes. Powered by a 750-watt motor, it's powerful enough to get the job done for neighborhood rides or deeper city commuting. Its minimalist build will appeal to riders who prefer a clean look, and the 100+ 4+ star reviews means it's been tested. At number 18, a sporty rideable with a punchy 500-watt motor, the E20 includes fat tires, front suspension, and a rugged design meant for mixed terrain. It runs on a 500-watt motor and features 20x4-inch tires, giving it impressive grip and control. Not bad for an all-terrain ride under $500. Light, nimble, and ultra-portable, the fifth wheel Mate is tailor-made for city rides and last-mile convenience. With a 1000-watt peak motor and 26-inch tires, it excels in accessibility and simplicity. It's an ideal solution for those who need a practical electric boost for short commutes, errands, or light trails. With minimal fuss and a super approachable size, the Mate is a kind of e-bike that's nearly perfect for $500. And if you're looking for something really portable, the Phantomgogo is a compact e-bike with a 350-watt motor and a low-slung frame. It doesn't pretend to be fast, but it's super approachable for beginners or short hop riders. It includes disc brakes, fenders, and app controls. Very nice touches at this price point. And at about $520, the Aostirmotor A20 is a folding electric bike that offers impressive performance, especially for its price. $520 gets you a 500-watt hub motor and beefy 4-inch tires. Plus, the front suspension fork adds comfort on bumpy rides, and the step-through frame makes it more accessible. Perfect for weekend explorers and casual commuters, the A20 strikes a great balance between portability, power, and affordability, and a 4.2 out of 5 stars on Amazon. The Heybike Cityscape blends classic commuter style with reliable electric assistance, making it a go-to choice for budget-conscious commuters. The step-through frame is ideal for easy mounting, while the upright geometry, cushioned saddle, and swept-back handlebars ensures a comfortable ride. And at $499, the Cityscape adds practicality and charm to every ride. Not bad for $5 on the dot. Also right at that $500 sweet spot, the Gotrax Dolphin is a modern city cruiser with surprising power and a playful design. It sports a punchy 500-watt rear hub motor and rides on 26-inch tires that offer good maneuverability. And though it's compact, it doesn't skimp on features, delivering a fun, up-to-date, and functional ride. And get this, it has over 380 5-star reviews. And pretty similar in price to the Dolphin, the DDC Sport Cruiser is a classic beach cruiser with a modern electric twist. It rolls on large 24-inch tires and features wide ergonomic handlebars for that laid-back upright feel. And powered by a 500-watt hub motor, it has enough juice for boardwalk rides or leisurely cruises through the neighborhood, and it'll make you look good doing so. At $25, if you want a sporty folding e-bike with a bit more muscle, the Actbest Race delivers a 1000-watt peak motor and larger 27-inch tires. Its angular frame looks fast even when it's standing still, and the lightweight build makes it practical for commuters who want power without the bulk. And add in front suspension and disc brakes, and you've got a tough little ride that's as comfortable downtown as it is tearing down the trails. The last $489 entrant, the Actbest Core, keeps things comfortable and simple. It features a 500-watt motor that peaks at 1000 watts, 26-inch tires, and an upright frame that prioritizes easy handling over high performance. There's no fluff or flash here, just solid components and a focus on comfort and reliability. The Core offers an easygoing experience at a very agreeable price. And finally, with nearly 900 great reviews, the Vivi MO26 takes mountain bike styling and pairs it with folding convenience, creating a unique hybrid that's equally at home on the trails as it is on the streets. Its 750-watt motor provides strong assistance, while the 26-inch tires and suspension fork handle bumps and paths with ease. Whether you're tackling park trails or just want a powerful folding bike that looks tough, the M26 is a great option for riders on a budget. Want more electric rideables? Be sure to check them out in this next video right here.